like life with disability is adaptation for all the family.
Yeah.
You having a ride, bed? Good girl. Good girl, Isla. Oh, so this is my top 5 Ikea therapy finds. First up is this massive cushion, and it's like a huge roll cushion. For 25 quid, this is fantastic. They're uber firm and they're great for side lying, so you can prop and propping. Even like tummy time with an older child, they're really, really fabulous for that. And at £25, they're so much cheaper than buying a foam roll. So it's like budget friendly. And also it can make a nice addition to your lounge or to the children's bedroom. Next up is the foldable physio mat of £40. Now these used to be 25. You might be able to get them second hand cheaper than 40, but they're really ultra durable. They last a long time. We've got one that's been left out in the rain, that's now in the shed that we always use outside in the garden. It's been battered and it's still going strong. It's not lost in its shape, it's not ripped or teared, and it's still going. Then we have this dart mat. Now this is great for therapy, for throwing, catching, sticking and unsticking. So it's a really good therapy option, and it's fun for all the family, and it being large may help children that have got fine motor issues. So next up we have this apron. Now, and technically it's not a therapy item, but for £4.50 they're quite baggy and they're just fantastic for younger children. And my daughter's 10 and I still use it for baking, for painting, to cover them up, so for gardening, so for all those therapy skills, hand skills, any messy play, which I just do associate with therapy, is fantastic. And lastly, I have these mirrors, which I think are just fantastic. They're £7 each and they stick to the wall, so they can be really great way of, they're non-breakable as well, so it can be really great for autism and things like that. So I really like those, so you can enable your child to actually see what they are doing. So yeah, that's it guys. Please do like and subscribe. We really appreciate you. Doing my best to provide really great content and helpful content, and I feel like this is useful content because it's really good value for money, and therapy equipment can cost thousands. Therapy mats can be hundreds of pounds, so I just feel like these are really great finds, and not everyone would immediately think when they've had a disabled child or a disabled baby to literally pop to Ikea and stock up on things that are affordable. So I really hope this helps. Please do comment and share and all that good stuff, and let me know if you've enjoyed this video. Thanks so much.